Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do an activity. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, so let's start. कहकशा, which dish do you like? कौन सी डिश आप पसंद करती हो?
I like potato.
Yes, nice. Faiza?
I like poha.
Yes. Maria?
I like gulab jamun.
Yes. Nabila?
I like chicken fry.
अच्छा.
I like chole bhature.
Yes.
I like chicken biryani.
Yes.
I like noodles. I like pasta.
Yes.
I like chicken noodles. I like biryani.
Yes. Izan?
I like gulab jamun.
Oh, very nice. Students, other activity. Tell me the name of your friend. Hasnan, tell me the name of your friend. अपने दोस्त का नाम बताओ.
My name is Faiza.
Your friend is?
Faiza.
तो कैसा बोलेंगे?
My
My
friend
friend is?
name is Faiza.
Yes. हाँ, Izan?
My friend is Aditya.
Kaikasha, tell me the name of your friend.
My friend name is Sana.
Yes, Faiza.
My friend is Natasha.
Yes, Maria.
My
My friend.
friend name is
Yes.
My friend name is Sana.
Yes.
My friend name is Alfia.
Sana.
My friend name is Sana.
Yes.
My friend name is Ashmira.
Yes. Look at me. Huh?
My name is
My name is नहीं. My friend name is?
My friend name is Sana.
Yes.
My friend name is Prakasha.
Very good. Nice. Nice students. 3 claps go.